question about what to drink here. If you see the sand is wet, or it looks wet at the bottom.
Yeah.
So if you dig a hole here half a meter, you wait 10-15 minutes, then the water will start seep into the hole. Fresh drinking water, sweet water.
Nice.
The same as our tap water in Walvis Bay, come from the same underground system than this.
Good to know. There you go, Mary, if you ever get abandoned.
Kom net stadig af, vat ons gou 'n fotootjie van julle so dit afkom. Should I maybe go a bit to the rear?
No,
Or not the angle?
I'm good.
To get more perspective.
Anyone else?
Right.
Just a little
they
bit.
don't,
You can go a little bit back, yeah. Everyone's got to say, but hang on a second.